those arms have a bit of a swing. Get this thoracic spine moving. Come on, keep up the pace. I mean, you can stay slow if you want to, otherwise come fast. Then we'll have a quick change. Ready to tap change. Go. Fast. Just a march forwards, back. And then we'll have a little walk around again. So it's not a huge step, but it's a way to get a good fast pace. Body's nice and relaxed. If you use some weights, that's okay, but light weights. Let's go for our walk. So we should be a little bit hip aware. We did do yesterday's class. Hopefully this will loosen up those inner thighs. We're going to do a little bit of a grapevine. Now if you struggle with grapevine, you can still do a side step. So just layering on. So we're going to do a grapevine over this way. Tap. So with a grapevine, break the hips. You need to go slow. But otherwise you're going fast, yeah? So you've got one foot go behind the other, back. I think most people know a grapevine, but if you don't, just sidestep it. Keep going. Ready for some hamstring curls, left leg starts. Join in. Add your arms. So, just a bit more relaxed. No sort of stiff movement, let it go, flow with the move. We're going to do a bit of travelling forwards. If you've got your hand weights, that's fine, otherwise don't use them. I want you to travel forwards. Go. Go back.